So now we are back, but we will have to eat the bread, the famous bread. The meteor she was calling us. So let's try. Let's go. So now we will go see the traditional place. But it's fine. So as you can see, now we are in traditional place. How they are making their traditional bread. So she will make the woman here. Then she will keep it. She will make it hot. She will put cheese inside, and then she will make it hot. So let's try the place. We are under the cave, and like I'm sitting on some small place, traditional. My husband. See the taste. She turned it. She made it so hot. I don't know what she's putting inside, but it looks tasty. Looks tasty and everything. What cheese?
4 oldu. Ama işte o ne? O patates. Bir tane daha patates de oldu. Toplam 5 alıyoruz. Tamam. Olmuştur o artık. Elinle tutuyor. Al elinle alabilirsin. Benim çekil. Bu peynirler. Aynen. Bir patates daha tamam. 5 oluyor.
So as you can see, we are waiting for our delicious food. So actually the good thing, the place here is so hot and we don't feel cold or something. There is lots of cats everywhere because Cappadocia, it's everywhere you can find the cats and this, because they like cats and being them. Hello. And yeah. So she's asking the lady which is what the flavor you like inside. So they have, you can put with mozzarella, and you can put it with the cheese, and then with potatoes. So we will get the potatoes one, and it looks so tasty. So this is the vibe. So there are family as well next to us. They're sitting, and now we finish our tour, and this is how we are closing our tour in this castle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share, of course.
Ne yapmak istiyor kedi? Kedi bu kedi elimizde kalmayız tabii.
There is something else. We're supposed to go and take the tea. Oops. So there is here. You can make your tea. This or this? This is what? How to try this? Ah, this is the tea. Take one tea. In this case. So our food is ready. So this is the one with potato. It's inside, there is a potato, and let's try it. And it's fresh. So we are finishing. So there is potato inside, and I think they put with butter. So it's so good. And I really advise you to try it because it is so delicious.
Şeye bakar mısın? Ben